Hey everyone, this is CodeNFacts where coding meets clarity. In the last video, we learned how Python makes decisions using if, else, and elif. But what if we want to repeat something again and again, like printing numbers or checking multiple inputs? That's where loops come in. Let you execute a block of code multiple times without rewriting it again and again. So at that condition, we have to use loops. So there are mainly two types of loops. First one is for loop and the another one is while loop. Let's see about for loop. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence like a list, string, or a range of numbers. Here is the basic syntax of for loop. It is used when you know the items or the numbers of iterations in advance. Let's see an example. Here, range 5 gives numbers from 0 to 4 and the loop runs 5 times. Let's see about while loop. The while loop keeps running as long as a condition is true. It is used when you don't know the exact number of iterations. Let's see the basic syntax of while loop. Here is the example. Here Python checks the condition count less than equal 5. Once it becomes false, the loop stops automatically. Now see about two important keywords that are break and continue. You can control loops using these two important keywords. First one is break and the second one is continue. Break keyword is used to stop the loop completely and the continue keyword is used to skip the current iteration and moves to the next one. Let's see an example. Here, when I is 3, Python skips it using continue. Here is the quick tip. You have to remember that you use for loops when you know how many times to repeat and use while loops when you don't like running until a condition changes. So that's the power of loops. Automate repetition and save your time. Now here is a small coding challenge for you. Question is that write a Python program to print numbers from 1 to 10 using a while loop. Drop your answer in the comments below and the answer to the question given in the previous video is now available in this video description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy to learn Python lessons. See you in the next video. Till then keep coding, keep creating.